What's up guys, today I'll be making a fox's head using paper.
The materials that you'll need are a square paper, but if you don't have a square paper, I'll teach you how to make a rectangular paper, a square paper, scissors, a pencil, or coloring pencils.
To make it a square paper, you have to fold it like this. And you have to do it with your nail so it can be flat. Then you get your scissors and cut it. Until it's a square paper like this, but I have another color gun so it can be better. When it's a square paper, you want to fold it like this to make it a triangle paper, like this. And after that, you want to fold it like this. And then you make the head of it until the floor. Don't forget, you do it with your nail. And you want to put it all the way up, but make sure it doesn't touch the head. You just want to make it about the length of your finger, if you're small. And don't forget to do it with your nail. Then you want to do the same steps in the other ear, but make sure that they're the same size. If they're not the same size, you just want to make it go more. Next, you just want to flip it. So after you flip it, you want to draw the nose down. That's just the nose and eyes and the other eye. And besides, if you want, you can add googly eyes and you can color it. With colored pencils, and you can even add whiskers and make it nicer and nicer. This is what you should end up with. And if I help you, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Make sure to leave down a comment if I can help you more. So goodbye.